Regional collaborations and partnerships are pivotal in driving innovation within Southeast Asia's specialty chemicals sector. By fostering synergies between multinational corporations, local enterprises, and research institutions, the region is rapidly adapting to shifting global market dynamics. These collaborations facilitate knowledge exchange and skill development, creating opportunities for investment, sustainability initiatives, and cutting-edge product development. As Southeast Asia strengthens its position as a key player in the industry, these partnerships are crucial for maintaining competitiveness and fostering a culture of innovation. Meanwhile, in Singapore, a major joint venture between Glencore and Chandra Asri is set to reshape the region's petrochemical landscape. The two companies are acquiring Shell's refinery and petrochemical facilities, a strategic move managed under the newly formed entity, Aster Chemicals and Energy. This acquisition is poised to enhance the availability of refined products in Southeast Asia and expand the region's share in the global petrochemical market. The deal underscores Singapore's role as a key trading and refining hub, reinforcing its competitive edge in the specialty chemicals sector. Private sector investments in Southeast Asia's specialty chemicals sector are surging, with companies like Stack Chemicals securing substantial funding. The specialty chemicals company recently closed a $40 million Series A funding round, valuing the firm between $90 and $100 million. With this fresh capital infusion, Stack Chemicals is set to scale its operations across the Middle East, Latin America, Asia, and the US, with a strong emphasis on enhancing its research and development capabilities. This investment reflects a broader trend of increased funding in the specialty chemicals sector, signaling strong investor confidence in the region's long-term growth potential. With continued strategic investments, a sharp focus on sustainability, and expanding regional collaborations, Southeast Asia is well-positioned to become a leader in the specialty chemicals industry. As the demand for high-performance and eco-friendly chemical solutions grows globally, the region's proactive initiatives will drive economic growth, foster innovation, and solidify its status as a critical supplier in the global market. The region's commitment to sustainability and innovation is not only enhancing its competitive edge, but also attracting significant international interest and investment, further cementing its role as a key player in the global specialty chemicals landscape. In conclusion, Southeast Asia's specialty chemicals sector is on a promising trajectory, driven by strategic collaborations, sustainable initiatives, and robust private sector investments. The region's proactive approach to innovation and sustainability is setting a benchmark for the global industry. As Southeast Asia continues to expand its capabilities and market reach, it is poised to play a pivotal role in meeting the growing global demand for specialty chemicals. The future looks bright for Southeast Asia as it continues to drive innovation and growth in the specialty chemicals sector.